Do you know exactly where all your images come from on your website or in your advert? If you don't, there's a good chance that someone like COPYTRACK might be sending you an email, because images used without copyright are effectively theft. I'll show you a quick example of what we used to have to do. So I'd be having a little look through something like Airbnb, and then I've seen a photo which looks like one of mine. So I'd right click on it and open it up, and lo and behold, that's my picture. And what you can do is right click on that and do a Google search for the image. This is just in Chrome, and up pops pages that include matching images, and there it is, McFade blog. So somebody's had a Google for an image of that area and decided to use a photo from my blog without permission. Obviously doing that for thousands of photos would have taken forever, but with these new tools like COPYTRACK and PIXSY, what we do as photographers create collections of photos. So let's have a look at my leads collection, for instance. So if I had a quick look in there, I've got 517 of my stock photos of leads, and you can see they're all there, and it will just trawl the net on a daily basis and return hits. So far I've only had this account for a week. I've got 86 86 uses. A lot of them are on my own websites, as you'd expect. You know, here's some food images. You know, these are all on my food photography site and that kind of thing. But you will come across the odd one which you don't really know. So you put these in the illegal area here. So here's one I've never heard of these guys before, but they're using a photo taken directly from my training website. You can raise a claim. All I have to do is press a button, tick a few boxes. These guys will go along and do the claim on my behalf. This is great for photographers, but it's a real minefield for business owners. So what I would suggest you do is spend some time going through your own website, have a little right click on photos on there, and just do a search on Google to see where they're from, and make sure you've got permission to do it. So my advice is make sure it's clean. If you find a photo which belongs to a photographer, email them saying you're sorry and offer to buy a license to use it.